Hi, I'm Dr. Steve Barnett, President and CEO at McKenzie Health System. As one of the largest employers in Sanilac County, we provide many opportunities in both medical and non-medical careers. We believe our employees are not just a resource, they are truly the DNA of the organization. Our culture encourages professional growth, teamwork, and innovation in an environment with clear expectations, open communication, and accountability, which allows the entire team to thrive. Our commitment is to assure the clinicians and the technology provide the quality our community deserves. Quality and excellence are priorities we build into everything we do. Our 3D mammography includes the latest technology, including state-of-the-art artificial intelligence diagnostic software. Our emergency department is a level 4 trauma facility, is level 3 geriatric certified, acute heart attack ready certified, and stroke ready certified. And all our family healthcare physician providers are patient-centered medical home certified. I hope this quick overview has given you a feel for McKenzie Health System, the level of care we strive to provide every day, as well as the culture our employees enjoy.